This is where a Ferrari is born, from raw vision to pure performance. Every Ferrari starts with carefully selected, lightweight and strong materials. The heart of every Ferrari, meticulously assembled for unparalleled power and sound. Designers shape the soul of the car by hand before it becomes reality. Carbon fiber is molded to create strength, speed, and aerodynamic perfection. Robots and engineers work together to build the heart of the Ferrari frame. Our engineers meticulously assemble each engine, a symphony of power and precision. Before paint, the body is polished to absolute perfection.
Ferrari's legendary red is applied with extreme precision and care. The paint is slowly cured to achieve a deep, glossy finish.
Each Ferrari engine is assembled by hand for ultimate power and balance.
Every engine is tested to ensure it delivers pure Ferrari performance.
Luxury interiors are crafted to combine comfort with racing spirit.
Advanced electronics bring intelligence and control to the car.
This is the moment when body and soul become one Ferrari.
Every Ferrari passes strict quality checks with zero compromise.
High-performance brakes and wheels complete the driving power.
Each Ferrari is tested on the track before leaving the factory.
Final detailing gives the Ferrari its perfect finish.
After months of craftsmanship, a Ferrari is ready for the world.